you have a Samsung top load washer and it sounds like this. Oh, that sounds terrible. Is that ours? Yeah, that's the washer. That sounds terrible. Ooh. We're gonna try to fix it. I have a feeling that it's the clutch. Let's take this thing over and take a look. First thing you gotta do is get the water out. If you put it on the spin cycle, it just keeps resetting. If your gears are broken, it says, I can't spin. So it just keeps restarting without actually draining. So to drain it, I'm gonna put on spin cycle, no spin, and start. That should just drain the water now. That's how you get your water out. All right, we got the washer tipped over and you can hear it. Something's busted in there, either a gear. It sounds like there's something totally loose and is floating around inside here. So let's open it up and see. This bolt's kind of difficult to get off, but if you put a ratchet on and you hold this with one hand and give it some taps, it will loosen up. Aha! Look at that. Some busted piece of plastic in here. These cheap plastic parts, there it is. And that's probably why you shouldn't buy Samsung appliances. Samsung makes TVs. I don't think I'd buy another Samsung washing machine. Okay, here's how this works. This is some sort of clutch right here. This is what I thought was going to be broken. I didn't think the actual gears would be broken, but now seeing that the gears are made out of plastic makes a lot more sense. But this is basically a clutch right here. There it goes, just fell off. Let me take that back out of there. But basically, there's a spring behind there. And when this clutch is engaged, it pushes these gears into those gears and then turns this drive shaft, and my plastic gears are broken, so we need to go do some research, find out what this is called, order some new plastic parts, and throw them in there. Alright, so I found the part right here on Amazon. It's a washer clutch gear coupling. However, this one is a generic brand, and you'll see $64, which is ridiculous, but the reviews are terrible. So I don't think I'm going to buy it on Amazon. So I went over to eBay and I found the same part. It's actually got Samsung's name in it. And when I look down at the specs, I can see that it's actually a genuine Samsung part. So I'll have to wait a few more days for shipping through eBay, but I'm just going to buy it off eBay. Okay, I got the cheap plastic gear here from Samsung. I say cheap because, come on Samsung, this is probably the most, this component here takes most of the torque from the machine and you make it out of plastic. That's cheap. Probably won't buy another Samsung, but you can decide what you want to buy. Anyways, new gear here, pretty simple. Should just slide right in here behind the clutch and good to go. Let's try it out. All right, so we're gonna just put this spring in behind. That was the spring that popped out, if you remember. So that's gonna go right there. And then this gear slides right over it. You can feel the spring is pushing it out like it's supposed to. And then put the clutch over the top, just like that. And then basically how this works, so this clutch engages the gears or pulls them out. There's a solenoid up at the top here, and basically this spins and it lifts the solenoid up, and you can see when it lifts it up, it engages and disengages the gears. And that's pretty much how this machine works. All right, we're gonna put the bottom back on. This is not just a cover. This actually, you'll see, it's got a bunch of magnets on the inside. And what this does, this gear drive actually grabs on to the middle of this. And when this electric motor, all these magnets here, they spin this entire thing, which drives this drive shaft here. So when I put this on, I'm guessing those magnets are gonna grab this. Yep, see, they just sucked it on, all those magnets. And then you gotta line up all the gears, and you really gotta work it to get this into place. There it goes, all the way. Should stick all the way in. So you've got this drive shaft sticking out, where then we can put our washer, lock washer, and nut back on the bottom. All right, let's fire this bad boy up. Let's see if it works. Let's put this on rinse and spin and start. Looks like it's working. Good as new. That's how you fix your Samsung top-load washing machine when it sounds like the gears are grinding. They probably are, because these guys make them out of plastic. Hope that helps.